Python is a flexible and powerful programming language that has become very popular recently. In this tutorial, we'll take you on a journey through the fundamentals of Python programming, from its simple start to its use in many areas like website building, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, who aimed to develop a language that emphasized simplicity and readability. The first version of Python, version 0.9.0, was released in 1991. Since then, Python has undergone significant development and refinement, with new features and improvements being added with each subsequent version. There are a few key reasons why Python has become so widely used as a programming language today. Readability. Python's syntax is created to be straightforward and understandable. This makes Python accessible to both beginner and experienced programmers. Versatility. Python can be used for many different applications, including website creation, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and more. Its large standard library provides many modules and functions to accomplish different tasks. Community support. Python has a vibrant and active community of developers who contribute to its development, create libraries and frameworks, and provide support through online forums, tutorials, and resources. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is available on all major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it easy to write code that can run on different platforms without modification. Open source. Python is free and open source, meaning that anyone can download and use it without cost, and its source code is freely available for modification and redistribution. Whether you're an experienced programmer or just starting out, Python offers a welcoming and supportive environment for learning and building exciting projects. Web development. Python is widely used in web development, powering popular frameworks like Django and Flask. With its simplicity and flexibility, Python allows developers to create dynamic and interactive web applications. For instance, popular platforms like Instagram, Spotify, and Pinterest use the Django framework for Python. Other major companies like Reddit, Airbnb, and Uber use the Flask framework to handle millions of user interactions every day. Data science. Python has become the preferred language for data science and analysis due to its rich ecosystem of libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These libraries enable data scientists to process, analyze, and visualize large datasets efficiently. For example, NASA uses Python for data analysis in various space missions, such as predicting weather patterns and analyzing satellite imagery. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python's simplicity and extensive libraries make it an ideal choice for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. TensorFlow and PyTorch, two popular machine learning frameworks, are both built using Python. Companies like Netflix leverage Python-based ML algorithms to personalize user recommendations and enhance the overall streaming experience. Automation and scripting. Python is excellent for automating repetitive tasks and scripting workflows. Many businesses use Python scripts to streamline processes, such as automating software deployment, managing system configurations, and extracting data from websites. For example, Dropbox relies heavily on Python for automating various internal processes, improving efficiency and productivity. Scientific computing. Python's capabilities extend to scientific computing, where it is used for simulations, numerical analysis, and modeling. Scientists and researchers in fields such as physics, biology, and chemistry leverage Python to solve complex computational problems. For example, CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, uses Python for data analysis and high-energy physics experiments, such as the Large Hadron Collider. We've discussed what Python is, why it's popular, and why it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced developers. As we move forward in the course, we'll explore Python's powerful features and dive into hands-on examples.